소아양스 퍼포먼스 오브 별표 아리랑 언론 별표 아스 가너드 와이드 스프레드 어클레임 앤드 이모셔널 리액션스 프롬 오디언시즈 앤드 리뷰어스 얼라이크 이모셔널 임팩트 뷰어스 오프턴 디스크라이브 비잉 무브드 투 티어즈 바이 더 뎁스 오브 이모션 인 허 퍼포먼스. Her rendition captures the essence of the traditional Korean folk song while adding her unique, heartfelt interpretation. Vocal mastery 별표 listeners praise her control, vocal range, and ability to sustain high notes effortlessly. Her subtle use of dynamics and vibrato as an ethereal quality to the song. Cultural significance. Many viewers, especially Koreans, appreciate how she honors the cultural heritage of 별표 아리랑 별표 while making it relatable to a global audience. International fans often express newfound appreciation for Korean traditional music through her performance. Audience reaction 별표 in live performances. The audience is often seen in awe, with some visibly emotional. Online, many comments highlight how her voice transcends language barriers, touching people worldwide.
Soyoung rendition of Arirang Alone is an awe-inspiring interpretation of deeply significant piece in Korean culture, known as one of the most iconic Korean folk songs. Arirang carries profound emotional and historical weight, symbolizing theme of separation, sorrow, resilience, and hope. Soyoung's performance transformed this tradition's melody into the breathtaking experience that transcends cultural and linguistic boundaries, leaving a lasting impression on anyone who listen. One of the most remarkable aspects of Soyoung's performance is her technical precision. Her ability to seamlessly transition between soft, ethereal, tone, and powerful soaring notes is nothing short of extraordinary. Soyoung employs masterful breath control, dynamic variations, and crystal clear enunciations, which allow her to convey with both the surroundful and hopeful undertone of the songs. Her unique vocal agility elevates the simplicity of the traditional melody into a rich tapestry of emotions. Moreover, Soyoung's emotional depth shines throughout her rendition. She captured the melancholic essence of Arirang Alone with a heartfelt delivery that resonates deeply with audiences. Each note feels international, as though she is pouring her soul into the performance. Her expressive phrasing combines with a palpable sense of vulnerability, transform the songs into a deeply personal narrative that feels universally relatable. The emotional resonance is a hallmark of her artistry, and one of the reasons why she is celebrated as a world-class vocalist. The arrangement of her performance also play a pivotal role is its impact. The orchestral accompaniment complement her voice beautifully, creating a lush and cinematic atmosphere. The instrumental interludes provides moment of introspection, allowing the audience to observe the gravity of the song's themes. The gradual build-up of intensity mirror the emotional journey of Arirang, culminating in a climactic final that leaves listeners in awe. Another notable aspect is how Soyoung bridged the gap between traditional Korean music and contemporary global audiences. Arirang is songs deeply embedded in Korean identity, often seen as a symbol of unity and endurance. By performing it with such universal appeal, So Young introduced the beauty of Korean cultures to a wider audience, fostering appreciation and understanding. Her ability to honor the song's roots while infusing it with her unique style speaks to her respect for traditional and her innovation approach as an artist. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much.